Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. Over the past few years, these technologies have been revolutionizing various industries, reshaping the way we live and work. In this video, we'll explore the key concepts, benefits, and challenges associated with AI and automation. So, let's dive right in. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the field of computer science that focuses on the creation and development of intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems are designed to simulate certain aspects of human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and decision-making. AI can be categorized into two broad types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks within a limited domain. Examples include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, image recognition systems, and recommendation algorithms used by online platforms. These AI systems are trained on specific datasets and programmed to excel in a specific area. On the other hand, general AI, also known as strong AI or artificial general intelligence, AGI, aims to create machines that possess human-like intelligence and can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across various domains. General AI would have the ability to adapt to new situations, understand natural language, think critically, and perform a wide range of tasks at a human level or beyond. However, achieving true general AI is still an ongoing challenge, and there is no consensus on when or if it will be fully realized. AI techniques include machine learning, where models are trained on large datasets to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions, and deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers to process complex data. Other AI approaches include natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, robotics, and expert systems. AI has found applications in various fields, including healthcare, finance, transportation, entertainment, and many others. While AI presents great potential for innovation and automation, it also raises ethical concerns, such as privacy, bias, job displacement, and the potential impact on society. Therefore, it is important to develop and deploy AI systems responsibly, considering the potential benefits and risks they entail. Automation and its impact. Automation involves the use of technology to perform tasks or processes with minimal human involvement. It aims to streamline operations, increase efficiency, and reduce errors. Automation can be found in various domains, such as manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, and customer service. Robots, drones, and self-driving vehicles are prime examples of automated systems that are transforming industries. AI and automation in industries. AI and automation are transforming various industries in profound ways. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are revolutionizing production lines, increasing precision, and enabling faster production cycles. In the healthcare sector, AI algorithms analyze medical data to assist in diagnostics, personalize treatment plans, and even perform complex surgeries with enhanced precision. Applications of AI and automation. AI and automation have a wide range of applications across industries. Let's look at a few notable examples. Healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare with advanced diagnostics, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. Machine learning algorithms analyze medical data, enabling early disease detection, precise diagnoses, and more effective patient care. Finance. In finance, AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, enabling faster and more accurate risk assessment, fraud detection, and investment predictions. Chatbots provide instant customer support and personalized financial advice, enhancing user experiences. Transportation. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI are reshaping the transportation industry. Self-driving cars improve road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and enhance overall efficiency. AI algorithms optimize logistics, enhancing supply chain management. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 customer support, answering queries accurately and efficiently. Natural language processing allows for human-like interactions, freeing up human agents for complex tasks and enhancing customer satisfaction. The benefits of AI and automation. The adoption of AI and automation brings numerous benefits to society and businesses alike. Let's explore a few of them. Increased efficiency. AI and automation can perform tasks at a much faster pace than humans, leading to enhanced productivity and reduced turnaround time. Improved accuracy. Machines can consistently perform tasks without errors, minimizing the chances of human error and increasing overall accuracy. Cost reduction. Automation eliminates the need for repetitive and mundane tasks, allowing businesses to allocate resources more effectively and reduce operational costs. Enhanced safety. AI-powered systems can be utilized in hazardous environments or risky situations, keeping humans out of harm's way. Ethical considerations. As AI and automation become more integrated into our lives, it's essential to address ethical considerations. Transparency, accountability, and data privacy are crucial factors to consider. Ensuring that AI systems are unbiased, free from discriminatory practices, and used responsibly is a collective responsibility for organizations and policymakers. Collaboration between humans and AI. Rather than viewing AI and automation as replacements for human capabilities, we should focus on the collaboration between humans and intelligent machines. By leveraging AI's capabilities, humans can augment their decision-making processes, improve productivity, and solve complex problems more efficiently. The synergy between human creativity and AI's analytical power can lead to remarkable achievements. The future of AI and automation. As we look to the future, the possibilities for AI and automation are boundless. From autonomous vehicles and smart cities to personalized healthcare and advanced robotics, these technologies will continue to shape our world. It's crucial to embrace this technological revolution, while also considering the ethical and societal implications to create a better future for all. Conclusion. And that concludes our exploration of artificial intelligence and automation. In just previous minutes, we've witnessed how these technologies are transforming industries, enhancing customer experiences, and redefining the future of work. As we move forward, let's foster a collaborative relationship between humans and intelligent machines, ensuring that AI and automation serve the greater good. So, our journey doesn't end here. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with our future content on the latest advancements in AI and automation. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found value in the information we shared. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions, comments, or additional insights on AI and automation, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below and let's continue the conversation. And lastly, if you found this video enlightening, don't hesitate to share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who might benefit from understanding the potential of AI and automation. Together, we can spread knowledge and inspire others to embrace the future. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities of AI and automation.